Back again on Steve's 69 Monterey. Got her all up in the air. Woo! Gonna finish up crawling around underneath, checking things out. Drain the diff, fill the diff. Now work our way up here to the carburetor. We have a Patronics we're going to put in. Moving forward. Alright, so when we left off, we were right at the trans pan. And we noticed she was just a little bit seepy, like, well, every trans pan of the era pretty much. Down here on the floor, yesterday, Steve and I were talking about, looks like the heater core burst at some point because of how the carpet looks under the floor mats, but didn't cause any rust issues. We are solid here, besides the usual surface rust. Drive shaft, U-joints are solid, man. They're like brand new. Exhaust, original, except the muffler. But down here on the floor, lots of undercoat. Nothing rippled, nothing crazy, nothing screwed up. Parking brake cables look amazing for their age. The gas tank, we discussed that. I don't think we discussed it on video, but it was replaced at some point. Moving back, the exhaust from obviously the muffler back has been replaced with aluminized. It's very nice, nicely done. This is a 3-link car, so the third link right here has decent bushings in it still. Looks good. Obviously Ford 9-inch. What else would you put in a car like this but a 9er with the actual tag still left on the housing? Alright, all the rear bushings. Whoop, sorry. Gonna get the spins from my videos. Bushings look good. Looks like a rear wheel cylinder has been replaced at some point over there. Looks like both of them actually. The level of surface rust does not jive with the rest of the car's patina. Rear shocks, even though they're rusty, they look stellar actually. Fuel tank, exhaust, trunk floor. We'll move around to that in a second. But yeah, look at that. Original. That's cool. Diff's really clean actually. It's just a little damp, but we're not going to pull a third member or anything because there's no major leak. Impressive car. Alright, we're here under the rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Trunk floor looks solid, amazing. This car looks really, really good. Very impressed. Very, very impressed. Let's check out this panhard bar too while we're back here. Panhard bar looks good. Bushings look nice. Nothing's beat. Fuel line. Tank's nice. Looks good. Content with it. We'll get into the brakes here in a little bit. They're a wee bit draggy, but that's okay. We'll check that out. So I've pulled the fill plug on the third member here, and the gear oil is fresh, it's clean, it's brand new. I mean, it's fresh. So it was obviously serviced right before it shipped out here. So one less thing we have to mess with. There's the plug. Look how clean that is. So that's going back in. One less project. Steve just texted me he wants to do the belts too. So we're going to do that too.